Got a couple parts that came in. Finally, it seemed like I've been waiting for about 2 weeks. I know the holiday right around the corner, but maybe I'm just used to Amazon because I get my packages quick through them. But I ordered these off eBay. They had the better prices and they had exactly what I was looking for. But I'm still missing the door handle for the passenger side, and I'm still missing the glove box latch. It should be on the way. Probably coming from overseas. When I checked the tracking, it had some weird looking type of tracking, so just gotta wait. But for right now, I got both the hood and the trunk shocks. So I think these longer ones might go for the trunk, and I think the shorter ones, they go for the hood. If I'm not mistaken, we'll see in a minute when I put them on. But these the shorter ones, and those are the longer ones right there. So that's for the hood and the trunk to keep it up, because when you push it up, if you seen the last video, then you seen they won't stay up neither side. So we gotta have them. So that's the first part. Second thing I got was got these sun visors for a pretty good deal. Got the left and the right one, passenger side and driver side. So I got them pretty cheap. And all the parts that I got, I'm gonna make sure that I show y'all how much I actually paid for it. And they pretty good quality from what I'm looking at so far, but we'll see once we put everything on. So the next thing I got was this gas pedal. And I didn't need the actual pedal. What I needed was this sensor here, because when you take off, it's like the car gotta think and kick in a mode for a minute before it actually pick up speed. So I think this sensor is bad. They known to have bad gas pedal sensors, so I went ahead and just ordered the whole pedal. This part was cheap and something that I definitely need. So last but not least, got me some headlights, because the ones on there, if y'all remember, not looking good, but these looking much better though. So give me a second, I'm gonna pull them out the box and be all brief, a little showing. Yeah, give me a second. I can't film in and pull out the box. I gotta get this styrofoam out here. Give me 2 seconds. Alright, so I got them unboxed, and you can see, man, them things look good. They look 10 times better than what I actually got in there right now. The ones I got in there, they oxidized, they faded, they just terrible. So these 10 times better. They actually got me excited. Then from what I was reading, they supposed to allegedly be plug and play, but we'll find out once we do the install. Now I'm not gonna do the actual install myself. I'm gonna have my boy Roberto at the body shop. He gonna do the install after he paint the car. So we're gonna get fresh paint on there, and we're gonna get these headlights put in there too. And like I said, they 10 times better. These is not the ones that I actually wanted. The ones that I actually wanted had a strip that'll go from here to there. And you know, the design was a little different, but these was a little cheaper. I got these for about $400, where the ones I actually wanted might have been like $625, somewhere around there. So I could have spent the extra money and got the ones that I really want. I kind of settled for these, but overall, first impressions, I'm impressed. I like to see once we get them hooked up, along with the new bodywork, how it'll look. So we'll see once everything get done. So as of right now, I'm gonna go ahead, head to the vet. Gotta jump this thing off too, because been sitting. I think I'm gonna have to end up getting another battery, because when I jumped it off a few days ago, had it running for maybe about 3 hours, just sitting there running, and I drove it. And when I got back in the driveway, turned it off, battery died again. So probably in need of another battery, or might need to check the alternator, praying it's not the alternator, even though it's an easy fix. I just don't feel like dealing with all that right now. So we'll see what's the deal with it, and then we'll just go from there. So I'll catch y'all in a few. Got it up and running. Had to jump the damn battery off again. So I ain't about to keep going back and forth with this battery. I'm gonna go ahead and snatch that out, get another one put in. We still gonna take it to the body shop, wherever he park it at. I'm gonna go ahead and snatch that battery out, trade it in as a core, and get it replaced. Dang. everything up there. It's a project, but she'll come together. Give me a few months. Have everything corrected. Luckily, the shop ain't too far. Probably could walk back. Need the exercise anyway. Been looking at a couple of the videos. Your boy getting too chunky, man. Hit the scale. Weigh about 220. I gotta get down. So I've been working on that the last 2 weeks. Working on the body of this, the body of the Monte Carlo, and my body. All three of us need some work. So we'll get there by the spring, summertime. We'll be good. But yeah, she don't seem to be running too bad. First time I drove in a minute. Probably need some air in the tires or something. I ain't gonna be out here doing no donuts or whatnot. Just take my time. I ain't know the fuel was that damn low. Should've put some damn gas in here. We'll be alright. Probably break a can of gas for him. I don't feel like stopping at the gas station right now. But yeah, once he get this done, then we all straight. Get them other parts on there. Start knocking out the mechanical part of it. We'll be all good to go. There we go. All right.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna repair the trunk, fiberglasses. We're gonna repair the bumper. It's missing.
Yeah.
So.
And then remember it was faded right here.
Yeah, everything's gonna be painted. Like,
so it's that, and then this is the worst side. The worst side.
The door, right?
Yeah, it was this door right here. You can see it's kind of scratched. You probably can't see it under the rain, but
the door.
And you kind of see the color off too a little bit. See that? So it's that. I got the headlights in there. I'm finna show you them. So, got like.
Yeah, put the bumper back.
Right.
Right. Put the bumper back. Alignment. The door. I'm gonna blend the door here, I believe.
Yeah, remember I wanted to take this off.
Yeah, okay.
It's like a wrap or something.
Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3 pins, 4, 5.
Yeah, and what you charge? I kind of want it puffed out, like a west end and a puff. I'm trying to get more bread together now, so let me fan the key.
At least we can buff it up the hood if you want.
Yeah, just so it could
and then just kind of like light touch up whatever I see around.
Yeah, just where the scratches at, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
Let me find the key. Hold on 1 second.
Then I think I'm probably gonna be like another $100, bro.
All right, we'll work it out.
Yeah.
What I do with the damn
you want me to do that, or you think about it?
Probably want you to do that.
Okay.
Yeah. So I want you to do that.
Okay. All right. Cool.
So that way when I get it back, it look good and it's ready to go.
Okay.
So, this too. So hold this real quick. Now I got see these won't stay up. I got the hood shocks right here. I could put them on myself.
Bro, just leave it there.
All right, but they for the trunk.
Is it back and front?
It's yeah, these are for the trunk and the hood.
Okay, that's cool.
So
I got you though.
You see how they won't stay up? You see the shocks?
I got you.
Yeah, so these are for the front and the hood.
Right.
Now these are the headlights right here.
Okay, cool. Okay, put the headlamps and yeah.
For the front.
Yep.
They some new aftermarket headlights. Yeah.
Yes,
so they should be plug and play.
All right.
Yeah.
So the main thing, right? The main thing. Roof, trunk, bumper, right door.
Right.
And blend that in. And then extra $100 for buffing the car and go, around.
Yeah, because they need it. And
cool.
Just trying to bring it up some, it's a little, it's a little rough. Then once I get it back from you, I'm gonna change the tires out, do the inside, and then she should be ready to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you got it right or what?
What?
You have it right?
I was gonna walk. I don't know if you. I know you busy right now. I damn near could walk. Yeah, it ain't that far.
Okay.
Yeah, I should be cool.
I don't have my right. It's right.
But I wanted to see, I'll cut it off and see would it start back up.
Okay.
I might have to come get the battery out of it and take it up to Halston and get a cord.
You want to see what it's done?
Yeah, I want to see. Hold on. All right, let me see. Yeah, battery no good. So it's gonna need a jump. You know, to pop the hood is down here. Yeah, so it's right there, just them 2 bolts. And it come right out. So when you gotta jump it off, it should be pretty easy. And like I said, I'll come snatch that one out
cool.
and take it back, get the core.
That's cool.
And then,
I'm gonna put it in. I gotta make some room in there.
yeah. I appreciate you, dog.
No problem, bro.
Yes, sir. Say something for the channel, man.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, you want to take a look real quick?
Yeah.
What we did.
Oh, yeah. Let me check you out. Yeah.
Go.
All right.
Yeah, as you can see here, you know, we got a spray booth right now. We're spraying.
Oh, yeah.
We're spraying kind of bumpers right now. That's what we're doing, you know. So
Yeah.
nothing top of the line, but the main thing is we know what we're doing, you know.
Now
So,
this paint booth is bigger than the last one you had, ain't it?
Yeah. It's bigger, and then we have more heat.
And it's heated, yeah.
Yep,
Yeah, it's
that's
heated,
right.
yeah.
That's right. So here, this area, that's where, like for example, like this truck right now, we just painted not too long ago. So,
Oh yeah, that's like, remember you painted my towel like that? Yeah.
Yep. So we still gotta, you know, buff, wet sand and buff.
Yeah, look good.
It's painted, so yep. So the roof is being painted too. So what we did is we paint the roof first, and then we cover for overspray, and then we do the rest with a wet sand and buff. So it's gonna look like, and those are the bumpers, the one we can show you.
Yeah.
So you know everything, take it out. So make sure there is no overspray around, handles, everything pop. So here, this area, that's what we do with the mechanic shop. So as you can see, you know,
Right.
any type of vehicles, you can bring it here. You know, we're all professionals. You know, ATL, one-stop shop. You know, so for the community, we call for appointments. We got the rocks for alignment. We got everything what you need. So we want one-stop shop again. You know, auto body, paint repair, mechanical in general. Any car, any vehicle, no problem, you know.
Yes,
guaranteed. And we work with insurance companies also.
Yeah, I like this truck
Yes,
right
sir.
here. That's nice.
Yeah.
Silverado.
Appreciate it. And,
Yes, sir.
peace out. Over here. I hope.
All right, no
check
doubt,
this
no
out.
doubt.
Yes,
So yeah,
sir.
I'm gonna get up out of here. Then I'll swing back.
All right.
What's the name of the shop?
ATL.
All right, for sure.
Illinois. Yes, ATL. You can check us online. Just put ATL Linwood,
Yeah.
and it should pop.
All right, I'll put the link in the description.
Yes, sir.